Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So we saw a little bit of volatility yesterday. We thought we would, it wasn't massively volatile though, due to the, so we thought we see some volatility due to the vote around the debt ceiling. So obviously that's been progressing. We've seen some volatility overnight here, and it responded perfectly. So Bitcoin responded perfectly to the resistance area I highlighted, this possible short area, and came down to the next support line. So I think this move followed nicely the plan. Support was 26,660 and it reached it. Now that doesn't mean it's turning around now. As you know, we have a short-term bearish and a short-term bullish scenario. They are both, however, embedded in an overall bullish scenario for Bitcoin at the moment, which of course there are other bearish scenarios, medium term, but the thing is, as long as we're holding larger bullish medium-term support, we don't really need to talk about them too often. So we focus on the medium-term bullish scenario, and then short-term we have our short-term bearish and short-term bullish one. And the short-term bearish one gets more and more likely every time we make a new drop here. And it is anyway the primary scenario. So the idea is that we topped here in a B wave on the 29th of May. And that we're coming down now in this C wave. Okay, so the C wave is a 5-wave move, and it's currently coming down, but it's still very sort of choppy. I mean, it does adhere to impulsive characteristics. For example, here circle wave 3 reached the 2.618 extension of wave 1. I mean, all of these things, they add up. We avoided overlaps between waves 1 and 4. It reached here our wave 4 resistance. You can see on the screen here. So that's all good. It's just very slow, but that's okay. I mean, at least if it's slow, then it has a better chance of holding eventually. Okay, so we reacted to our resistance area. I gave you that yesterday, posted it on Discord and Telegram, and shared it in my last videos. Resistance was between 27,306 and 27,450. And we did say, if this is the correct count, price should not go above 27,450. If it does, we're morphing into a different scenario, different story, but it did hold or react to it, get rejected, and did come down to the next fib level. Now this looks to me as if this wave 5 here might get one more wave down, and then we could complete the third wave, and then we should head into a fourth wave, larger fourth wave of the main C wave to the downside. I have added resistance now for this wave 4. It is between 27,169 and 27,344. Again here, same story, right? It's the same type of resistance, same type of trend reversal area, just on a small time frame here as the one before that we discussed yesterday. And the thing is, first of all, this is a moving target, because if this is now measured against the latest low here at 26,622. If we get one more low in wave 5 or 3, which I think we should, then this will also move down a little bit. So please consider that and remeasure it maybe on your chart, or just wait for the next video. The idea here is as well. So with this wave 4, even if we go all the way to 27,344, we would avoid an overlap with wave 1, which is important in such an impulse to the downside. And if it goes above that level, then again something more bullish might be playing out. It is, for example, still possible that this B wave extends higher. That's absolutely possible, okay? And we need to be ready for these surprise moves for Bitcoin, especially as long as Bitcoin hasn't broken the 12th of May low. Only if Bitcoin breaks below this swing low here, well, this is the 24th of May actually, which is important as well, but it needs to take out that A wave low, which is at 25,820. Taking that out will be very important to confirm trend continuation to the downside. So in summary, what's expected now is maybe a little bit more of a drop down in wave 5 or 3, then a wave 4 retracement, and then the next low could be the last one. And to be honest, so far it's been very shallow, this move down. So this could always unfold as an ending diagonal, may extend further down. Okay, So what we can do only is we look for, okay, what is the subdivision looking like? And these subdivisions, if we have 5 waves complete, yeah, then we need to be watching for reversal. But we need to wait for a signal because they can always extend out further. So we'll try to give you in every step, try to give you the relevant pivot points that will tell us if price is likely turning around or not. Short-term bullish scenario, of course, still possible. Less likely, and it has been less likely. Even up here, it has been less likely. Short-term bullish means, okay, we rallied here in a wave 1. This is a 3-wave move. Then we came down in a wave 2 here, but it came down deeper than you would normally expect it for a wave 2. That's why it's not the primary expectation, and there are other reasons as well. This can't be wave 3, but it could be the wave A of the wave 3. This here would be the wave B of the wave 3, but it should really turn around now in a wave C of the wave 3. So now that we are hitting here this fib support again, of course, a bounce is more likely. And if in that bounce we break above 27,344, it might make it more clear to us that the short-term bullish scenario is working out. So the market literally hasn't made up its mind yet. You can see that we've been moving in this range for weeks now, and the market is just not clearly trending, okay, because we haven't really, we still have 3 waves down only. It's not a clear impulse down, you know. It hasn't been an impulse to the upside, so we need to be ready for headwinds, okay? And yeah, that's just what it is, the situation at the moment. That's not the fault of the analysis, that is just what the market is doing, and the analysis helps us to understand that. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.